Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a shelf for myself because I don't have the money to afford a new one, and it's just like an experience to me to know my capability. And I don't have any experience about making furniture, so this is my very first take. I was trying to trust the process and also see this through because I've gotten tired of my space, and I felt like I needed new furniture or something just to make it look different. And yeah, so I decided to make a shelf. Now like I said, I don't have any experience in this, so I was just trying my best to go with the flow. And yeah, so as somebody that's really never been able to afford anything, I've always been a DIY person, which has made me do so many things for myself. And yeah, this is one of the things that I've done for myself. Now, I was really struggling to cut the wood into half because it's a very, very strong one. So I just was really frustrated at this point because I just had to call my brother, a brother of mine, to help me to cut the wood into half because I couldn't do it on my own. Now, after I did that, I was just trying to do the finishing, and I just felt like this wood wasn't gonna cut it, so I just went to buy new woods. I took it back home. Upon getting home, I cut them into equal half, and this was gonna be my foot for my shelf. And yeah, so I suffered a lot of injuries due to this project because, like I said, I had no experience and I just kept nailing my hands, and I was just trying my best not to give up on it because I already did a lot. Even though I did not have enough, I still went to buy the food because I knew this ones were not gonna cut it. And if you think it's going to be a perfect project, well, this is not the place for it because I had no experience in making this. I was just trying to go with the flow and trust the process. So I'm here making the base for my shelf, and I'm just cutting them into equal half. After I did that, I had to nail them down, and yeah, I was really determined to proceed with this project. So the excitement was there, the doubt was also there, but at this point I felt like the doubt was already off. Now I did a little bit of stop motion, and I called my brother to help me to nail the woods. I pretty much did the rest by myself, and yeah, this is me just doing the finishing touches, and that's all, I guess. Now for the top part, the woods were not enough, and I feel like I was still going to probably renovate this in the future. So this is the finished look, and let me just switch over to my talking self. Yep. This is the room that we are using. See how my room looks like? Yeah. This is the room that I'm using. And it's high time I do something. So I'm going to move this bed. I'm going to move it to this place because I want to stay away from the windows. Now, after I move my bed, the shelf is going to stay here. Then my sewing machine is going to be somewhere around here. Now, as for these two chairs, I think I'll be disposing one of it. Yeah, I think I like this one, and I like this one. I like this color. I like the shape. So let's just get into it. So this is the end product. This is how I rearranged my room.
Yeah. Although I've not done everything, but I just did a little bit of it. So this is my wardrobe. Or let me say my shelf, DIY shelf. Yeah. And look who's sleeping. Isn't she cute? She's so cute. Yeah. So this is how I stocked it. I mean, this is not gonna be permanent. I'm still going to do a little bit of adjustments.
Now, I know this is not perfect, and maybe in the future I'll renovate it by painting and also fixing some things about it. But yeah, this is what I have. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.